to do it now, though. I will, but... If we see an enrage, though, definitely start.
Use your...
Car. Get in. And ready to spread. Just keep those spots for now. Alright, crumbling down is coming up. Get ready? Going to see. We're gonna have to be quick. Or you can be Link.
Look at them go.
Pretty good.
Damn it.
Alright, stack up. Don't worry, he's gonna turn back to where he's supposed to. I see technical and emboldened, and now I must up everything I've got.
And divination, no, help me out.
What was that?
I don't see divination.
Oh, that's
He's
just...
got to unload everything, huh?
I wasn't gonna have time to abuse divination. Okay, another jump. This one's gonna be arms. Getting all the luck. Ready? He's gonna turn. Behind him is safe. B and D, or B and A, B and A. Go. Again, going toward corners. By D is safe. Be ready to move back in. Go. And that's transition. That's really good, guys. Yeah, that's really fucking good.
Well,
If you can keep mechanics clean, we can absolutely clear this without any trouble.
I'm gonna pop shield combo for this oversteering.
How long does Shield Samba last?
15 seconds.
Pop it when he opens his mouth. That should be good enough.
Pop it in now because I need to pop text out.
Yeah, which is when he opens his mouth. It's the 5 second. Lets you get it on cooldown a little bit faster. Okay, punch is coming up. Get to the left. Stay on the left.
Me too. Why? Yeah, I almost did.
Alright,
Got him.
tectonic uplift. DPS forward. Stay in the orange unless you get the blue marker.
Seal's the chosen one.
O2Y3. Cubes north. Pyramid south.
Boop.
Get in.
I see a melee coming down, so I moved over just in case.
What a kind soul.
Nicely done. Okay, healers, gel spots.
Why did I think that was a good idea?
Get to the left. Meet me first.
There it is.
Looks like it'll hit. Back up. Nice work. One more punch coming up.
Stopping tech step now.
Get to the left. Tumult's next. So goes for Tumults. After this resolves, dual Earthen Fist. Get ready for punches. Get to the left. We're moving through. Back away from the Evil Earth. We lose uptime in this one. Go. And wait. Move in now.
Unlucky.
Nice job. Yeah, unlucky, but we still live, so that's good.
Son of a...
Okay, groups 1 and 2. Stack up. I've got shields for this. Get in the orange. Be with your group. Get in the orange. Winter, move in. Good. Okay. Healers spread. Get to your squares. Okay, blues go down first. Stay up. Stay up. Blues first. Go horizontally. Okay, tanks first. Alright, DPS comes south. I'll be moving in a sec, don't worry. Okay. And move in.
Stopping tech step.
Finish up Tumults.
Hey, I hit everyone with that.
Alright, now we have a take a breather. He's gonna do plate fracture. Get to the left. Shared megalith next. Okay. Everybody move up. Blue goes straight back. Triangles fan around the spot up north. Alright, triangles fan. Maybe you... Okay. Just don't kill the cubes. Okay, good job. Nice job. Fancy feet.
Hey, no uptime loss.
Whew. Close, but we got it. Alright, everyone's up. Orogenesis next. Alright, stay close. Heals mitigation before we go. This is a very good pace, so just keep it up. Don't be greedy. what you gotta do as best you can. Okay. Tank sealers are the first stack. PSP far range. Okay. And these lock here, and move. Alright, dual Earthen Fist next. Same as always. I'm gonna home gang what comes next. Everybody get close for heals now.
Protect them now.
I will reprisal this. Yeah, reprisal the tumults after this hit.
Let me know when to hit pop shield.
As soon as voice starts casting, you can shield Samba.
I'll go my turn.
Just keep focus. Even if we have a few down. Yeah, it's gonna be rough from here, but just keep going. Do your best. Okay, healers are gonna spread after this. Tank, DPS of the stack. Okay, take over anytime. Punches next. I get to the left. Stay here. Okay, now just keep him facing north. Hit Stone Crusher next. He's just gonna invuln this. But make sure you get him to full once he Super Bullets. Because we have to share it. Okay, good.
I'll be okay.
We have to share a Megalith after this. Hopefully. I'll be healthy enough as it is. Just make sure he is too. And I can reprisal. That should be fine. Okay. Yeah. And do you have any cooldowns? Can you hold them for a little longer? Okay. Hold them for a bit. Alright, this is same as... So, again, tank sealers are the stack, DPS spread. Alright, move.
I have no heals.
Just do
Okay, now I-
whatever you can. Alright. Oh, why do I have a pyramid? This works. Alright, okay. Alright, watch the last one. Now just stack up to get... Okay, punches, get to the left. Stay left. Stay here. All that's left is group up tight, and it's just AoE healing like crazy. So every mitigation we can do for this. Voice. Tumults. I've got shields. Alright, and I will reprisal... Oh, I'm breaking shit. Okay, more tumults. Keep it going. Tumults. Just keep going, whatever you got. One more voice. Stay close. And the Heart and Rage. Just finish him off.
Please.
Don't use your fucking potions if you got them. This is good. We should be fine. Nice fucking job, guys.
We did it! Yay!
You're fucking welcome.
Well done.
Okay, so my Discord fucked up, and I did hear you guys for like a good 3 minutes, and I was doing this on my own. Were you yelling at me at all, Utaru?
No.
I was freaking out.
No, I figured you weren't hearing a few things because of the amount of damage coming out. I was giving you guys warnings as to what was coming, but you were doing fine.
Like everyone, I almost like killed Seal because I had the triangle, and I was like, where am I going?
It is a damn good thing you guys had that DPS buffer in the beginning, because we had deaths in the final phase and it didn't fucking... Alright,
Holy
So chatted, I know.
what dropped?
That's a warrior weapon.
Oh,
Chat.
seriously? You know what?
Why does the axe drop when I... Wait, what is it? The axe and weapon coffer, or...
Axe and cast coffer. You know what? I'm gonna greed on this just because I can't get it.
What dropped besides the axe?
Chest.
Chest.